In the next 90 seconds, we'll take a look at how to create something like this from scratch using only sounds found in Medallion. We'll begin by dragging a kick drum from the pack and creating a classic 4 to the floor rhythm. Next, we'll add in claps on the 2nd and 4th beat and be sure to offset them slightly before the downbeat. We'll then duplicate these steps with another clap. Then, so the claps complement the kick drum, we'll add some sidechain compression triggered from the kick. We'll group these drums together and apply glue compression and subtle saturation to make sure the drums gel together nicely. Now begins the construction of the bass line as we drag in bass thump one-shots, screeching bass tones, and wubs. Using a combination of thumps, screeches, and wubs on separate tracks, we can now create a fundamental bass line for our drop. Grouped together, we can apply subtle OTT, glue compression, and most importantly sidechain as we blend the different bass sounds together. We'll then tighten up the kick drum to give the bass line extra room to breathe, and now we have something like this. For variation and flair, we'll add in mini filler loops, followed by the classic 909 inspired open hi-hat, and lastly with a couple more tweaks to the bass line and a backing top loop, we're done.